Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, healing, and abundance, and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is vitality, my Leos, my kings, my queens, my emperors, my Rogers, my royal court. You have an entire kingdom to look after. So many people looking after you, looking at you. They're going to be mimicking you, listening to you. Even the advice you don't even believe that anyone's listening to. They're watching, they're waiting, they're actually acting on it. But that's because you're the king. You're headed to your kingdom in expansion. Your dreams are coming true. But what does it benefit you to have your heart's desires and your royal position, and you can't enjoy it due to bad health or poor thinking, mental illness? I need you guys to take care of your vitals, take care of your body, take care of your health. Treat your body like a machine. It shall break down as such. But you only have one body, so as hard as you work on it, as hard as you work, I need you to maintenance and pamper it. I need you on a massage bed twice a month. Open up that lymph system. Let's get the junk out. So we're not walking around like big balls of tension. I need you to eat right, treat right, because we are what we eat. It's time to really start taking care of our bodies and not worrying about till later, because we have no time to waste to be hurting ourselves and wasting time on bad health. I am a being of light. I accept the divine energy within my body. You accept your royalty. You accept your position and your high position because you came so far and you worked so hard, because you're qualified to stop now and take any lower frequency or to lead any less than what you're supposed to other than your maximum. And every one of my cells rejuvenate and you become the ruler of greatest rulers of all time. And we need you. I need you. So step up. And once again, love one another. Be kind to one another. Please like, share, comment, subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. I love you.